Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So today's video, I'm going to be making a drink called the Hybrid, right? I'm going to be using our Scoville vodka, jalapeno infused vodka. This comes off their website, this recipe does, so this is kind of their thing. But if you had to, you can't find it, you can probably use another spicy vodka to substitute it with, right? So you only limit it to your mind possibilities. I don't know if I said that right, but whatever, you get the point. Anyway, let's get started. This drink is a vodka, rye, lemon juice, agave nectar combination. Why it's called hybrid? Maybe because you use vodka and rye, I guess. I don't know. Here we go. First things first, we're going to go with 2 ounces of our Scoville or a jalapeno vodka. Just 2 ounces. Next, we're going to go with 2 ounces of rye. Next, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of some freshly squeezed lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce. And last, a little sweetness, we're going to go 1/4 ounce of agave nectar. Just a 1/4 ounce. Give it a little swirl, mix it up. We're going to pour this in a rocks glass. I got a rock already in the glass. And there you have it, a Scoville's hybrid. Let's check this out. It's kind of exciting. You get a little burn, right, from the vodka. A little spice, right? And you know, rye is already spicy in the sense of it's kind of peppery, right? Good cocktail. Again, if you like spicy stuff and spicy cocktails, like this is a good cocktail for that. Nice spice, the sweetness, just a little bit of sweetness from the agave nectar, the lemon juice. Man, this is pretty good. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And while you read the descriptions, I'm going to finish this. Till next time, cheers.